The noise finally stopped. I know, right? It was so annoying. Hey, why did that noise just automatically stop? I have no idea. What the heck? There's the noise again. Oh my gosh. I really don't like this. Oh. Hey, I think it's coming over there. Come on. Yeah. Come on, guys. Guys, it's home. Mom? Dad? You in there? Sweetie? Mom! She's there! Mom! Oh my gosh. We're home! I could just kiss someone right now. Where am I? Sweetie, you had a coma. You fell and hit your head and you had to go to the hospital. And so now like you have to lay in bed and everything. So lay in bed and get some rest, okay, sweetie? Okay, Dad? Whoa, I'm getting dizzy, like really dizzy. Oh my gosh, I'm getting really dizzy. Oh my gosh. Ah, ah. Wait, what is that noise? What is that noise? What is that noise? Whoa! Dad? Ah! Help! 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 What's going on, Sis? Oh my gosh! The neighborhood's getting sucked in! Help! 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 It was all just a dream.